In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free business card QR code using Yohn.io's vCard generator. It's quick, easy, and totally free, so let's dive in. You can access the generator by scanning the QR code on the screen or by clicking the link in the video description. With Yohn.io, you can create a QR code that contains all of your contact information. When someone scans the code, it automatically opens your details in their Contacts app, so they don't need to type everything out manually. To create your QR code, simply go to Yohn.io and enter your contact details. Our QR codes support various information types, namely first and last name, email address, phone number, company name and your job title, your office address, your website URL, and links to your social media profiles. You can leave any of those fields blank if you wish, and only fill in the specific details you want to include in your vCard QR code. Once you've entered your information, click Get QR Code. Provide the email address that you would like your QR code to be sent to, and that's it. Your QR code will land directly in your inbox. You can add this QR code to your paper business card, your email signature, or anywhere else you'd like. When someone scans your QR code, all your contact info will appear in their Contacts app. They just need to tap Save to add you as a contact. And that's it. The business card QR code from Yohn.io never expires and it's completely free. But if you want to take it a step further, we offer a premium package for just $1.49 a month. With this, you get a custom digital business card for Apple and Google Wallet, plus an online business card mini website that's perfect for sharing. And that's it. That's how you generate a free business card QR code with Yohn.io.